Hello and welcome to Marketing System and Creation Management for accountants and CPAs who want to grow their practice. And if this is your goal, how do you find new accounting clients and grow your CPA practice? Well, that's the question most CPAs struggle with when business is slow or they want to expand the size of their current practice. How do you go from sitting in your office with no one to talk to having appointments to go on or business owners coming to meet you? If you've done any research, there are several marketing strategies that you can use. For example, there are a lot of website companies that will tell you putting up a slick and very professional looking website will bring you new clients. The first problem with this approach is that most of these sites are only decorative. They use big pictures and they have a lot of information on them, but they don't actively attract new clients. The second problem is if you pay or drive traffic to these sites, they do a poor job of even generating a lead or a prospect for you. Pictures of a person standing on a rock at sunset do not persuade people to pick you as their CPA. Another strategy example is a lot of local search and directory listing services will tell you that they'll run pay-per-click or Google ad programs like AdWords to drive traffic to your website or phone calls to your office. But here are the hidden problems you run into with what I call the big mega local online ad services. The first problem is that all their ads look alike, not just within a service, but even between the different services. And while they'll bill you a flat fee for these ads, they try and cheat the pay-per-click companies by including phone numbers in the ads, thinking a business owner will just see the phone numbers, pick your ad and number over all the others listed, and call you. The second problem is that these ads don't give the business owner or individual searching for any compelling or distinctive reason to actually choose and click on your ad over all your competitors' ads. Here are 3 ads in a row that all say they are experienced and trusted. Well, if all accountants are experienced and trusted, why and how should the business owner choose your ad? The answer is that they don't choose your ad, or if they do, it's just pure luck. The third problem with these ads is where they send the person who clicks on them. This means if you're lucky enough to have your ad stand out against competing ads, or the business owner happens to click on your ad, these services just take the business owner and dump him or her onto your decorative website that we just talked about that's not effective at all at capturing any information about the person on your site. As you can see here, the website really looks good, but that's not enough to eventually pull in a new lead that will turn into a paying client. Now don't get me wrong, I'm not saying you shouldn't use these pay-per-click or website tools as part of a marketing system. I'm letting you know that there are better and more effective ways or strategies to use them that fix or avoid these problems that the big companies don't have the expertise or time to deal with. I'll explain this in just a second because it's tied to the next item. Let me let you in on the real root cause of finding new clients as an accountant or CPA. The real problem with finding new clients is that there's too much competition for accounting and bookkeeping services just about wherever you are in the United States. InfoUSA lists over 140,000 accounting, bookkeeping, and tax preparation and enrolled agent firms in the U.S. And if I pull up a Midwestern or a rural state like Oklahoma, Google lists over 11,000 firms that just show up as little red dots that you see here in the video. Even out there, you have a lot of competition to choose from, and it only gets worse in towns and large cities. But to prove my point, here is little Pocatello, Idaho, and there are over 90 Google listings for accountants and CPAs, and just here in this 7 by 7 mile square that you can see the different choices of firms as I hover over each dot. And if you are in a big city or metro area like Chicago, there are literally thousands of bookkeepers, accountants, and CPAs within a 7 square mile block. In this 7 mile by 7 mile or 49 square mile block, there are over 4,000 local search result listings for the word accountant that you're up against. So what's the answer? How do you position yourself against all this competition? What kind of local search with pay-per-click ads will really stand out and be clicked on? And what type of website or landing page will help generate a lead for you for the type of person or business owner you want as a client? It all starts with who you want as a client. If you want to attract or go after small business owners, then we use the right kind of bait that they will be interested in. Look at it this way. If you're a mouse and everything in front of you looks like a mousetrap, and you see a picture of cheese, you're going to respond or be more attracted to that piece of cheese. For example, if I'm a business owner looking to hire my first accountant or change CPAs, I would be interested in a free report like 19 questions to ask before hiring a bookkeeper, accounting, or CPA firm. If I use QuickBooks as my accounting software, I would be interested in a free report on 7 hidden QuickBooks mistakes business owners should avoid for maximum profitability and growth. Or I might attend a live teleseminar or a webinar on a topic like 3 strategies to attack and solve the bookkeeping aspects of running your small business, because that's a more compelling reason to click on an ad or call a phone number than just hearing that an accountant is experienced or trusted. And in the teleseminar or webinar strategy, we can also record the call and then use that transcript of a call as a free report in a PDF format. Again, these are some examples of the right bait to use, so our clients find these much more effective in generating leads and prospects that will eventually call or meet with you in the process of becoming your new client. Now, unfortunately, we also know that even with the best bait, new clients just don't walk in off the street and hand us checks when they land on our website. That's why once we find someone interested in your services, we then use a functional website with specifically designed landing pages to generate and capture leads for you. Here's an example of half of a landing page format that we use that has a free 20-question special report as the bait, where the business owner gives us their name and email address in exchange for access to the report. In this example, one half of the landing page is an offer to listen to the replay of a call about the top 5 mistakes dentists make who don't use a CPA who specializes in dental practices. And in this example, one half of the landing page is an offer for the 7 QuickBooks mistakes report. You'll notice I keep saying one half of the landing page on these reports because there is another part of all these landing pages that is just as important as these specialized offers. It's called social proof, and specifically, we use audio testimonials on each of the landing pages to instantly create a level of credibility and trust with the person or the business owner who lands on the page. These testimonials help the person feel comfortable enough to trade their name and email address for our free reports and other offers. So here are some partial audio clips of these audio testimonials from the landing pages of clients of ours.
Hi, my name's Jim. I'm in Westlake Village, and I've had Monica as my accountant for probably, over 15 years. And I really like her. I actively refer to her, and the reasons are
This is Dr. William Brady. I would like to mention that the Revilla Accountancy Firm has been my accountant for probably 5 years now. Very pleased with their work. The staff is alert, quick.
This is Al from Charlotte, North Carolina, and I've used Ed's accounting services and tax services for several years now, and I've never felt better about my position.
Yeah, my name is Kelly. I live in the Dallas-Fort Worth, Texas area. I've known and worked with Ed for, I guess it's been at least 20 years. He's helped me in a number of areas with regards to my tax consulting and planning and estate planning as well.
This is Bernetta Gallery. I was calling to say that I really, really appreciate Smead. First of all, my first impression when I called, Steve was very, very helpful when I called before I even met the office folk.
Hi, this is Denise from Brentwood, California. My husband and I are so grateful to have found Smead CPA Incorporated to prepare our taxes.
David, Jerry, Marysville. I really enjoy the professional approach you take to your business.
Hi, this is Jeff Foster from Granite Falls, Washington, and we have been clients for somewhere between 10 and 15 years.
Yes, my name is Don. I've been going to the Mitchell Tax Services for over 35 years. They've done our business and home taxes without any worries on my part. I was even audited one time, and they stood up and took care of that problem.
Hello, I'm Anthony, and I was running behind on paying my taxes a couple of years, and when I went in and had Peter do mine.
This is the Cox family from Tehachapi, California, Jimmy and Prudence Cox. We have been going to Peter for the past, oh my gosh, it's got to be over 20 years now.
Hi, my name is Paul. I'm from Greenville, South Carolina. I've worked with Sullivan & Company for about 8 years now, I guess. Always been very responsive and there when you need them.
My name is Frank. This is Monday the 21st. I live in Gaithersburg, Maryland. I'm a trial attorney, and I've been a client of Sullivan & Company for many, many years. I've been very impressed with their courtesy and attention to detail.
Hi, I'm back, and I wanted you to hear several quick examples of those because strategically using audio testimonials online, on landing pages and on videos are one of the many things that we do that the mega local search companies or website companies or even local advertising agencies do not do. And this is critical because it is a marketing principle that when applied greatly increases the lead generation advertising that you will do to generate leads that turn into paying clients, and that's what we're after, right? But that's not all. Once someone is on a landing page and requests your report, it triggers a follow-up system or sequence of events. First, the free report is automatically delivered by an email autoresponder system that comes from you and looks just like you sent it yourself. Then a series of emails continues to be sent out over the next 14 to 21 days, further educating and explaining the content of the original report. Next, the person starts receiving your monthly e-newsletter that has your branding and graphics. In the newsletter is a feature article about accounting, tax, or investment-related issues. We ask your clients for audio testimonials and to review you online. Plus, we offer other educational materials and reports that a lead or a prospect can download and receive. This includes audio replays of teleseminars and videos and pictures of you and your staff, all of which pre-builds trust, positions you as an expert, and builds the case for you as their first or new accountant. In other words, we help you demonstrate your knowledge and expertise instead of just saying it in an ad. Our simple combination of email autoresponders and monthly e-newsletters keeps you in front of your leads or prospects for months or years, so when they are ready to make a change, they choose you as their accountant or CPA. And combined and fed with our unique online advertising and effective landing pages, we create an integrated marketing system that feeds you calls and appointments that you can then convert into paying clients. And because not everyone will respond exclusively to emails and PDF reports, we also help you conduct live teleseminars and webinars so that you can interact with prospects and leads and they can get to know you before becoming your client. Plus, we can help you create and develop printed materials or Word document mail merge type of marketing letters if we are using direct mail letters or postcards to advertise locally. Or if you need audio CD or video DVD creation and duplication, we can handle that too, as well as HD quality video filming and editing, production, and all this can be used in broadcast media as well as online for your website or on video platforms like YouTube, LinkedIn, and Facebook. So let's summarize what we've covered on this video. First is that decorative websites alone are not good at generating leads or prospects for your firm. They need to be functional and have specific landing page formats for generating leads. Second is that national pay-per-click firms will run ads that all look the same and just list phone numbers or say you're trusted and experienced. That won't get you clicks or leads if you don't differentiate yourself in those paid ads. Third is that once you know your ideal client, you can then create the right bait that will attract them in your online ads and on your landing pages. We use free reports, checklists, recorded audio and video programs that help them solve accounting and bookkeeping problems and build a case for choosing you as their accountant and CPA. Fourth is we create and combine as much social proof in the form of audio testimonials on your landing page to help create instant trust and pre-build your credibility so business owners will gladly give you their name and email address and opt into your marketing system. Fifth is we use an automated follow-up system to deliver free reports and then a sequence of emails plus start monthly e-newsletters because it may take months or longer for people to decide to hire their first accountant or change CPAs. Finally, we host live teleseminars and webinars on accounting, tax, and investment topics to build your expertise and trust with prospects. And we can also create direct mail pieces and broadcast quality marketing videos and materials for local marketing efforts. At this point, after talking with me or being on one of my teleseminars and listening to this video, if you are ready to get started on growing your practice, here's your next step. Find my Marketing System Creation and Management Program 12-page report. If you don't already have it in front of you, or were not following along on this video, the cover page looks like this. On page 2 is an executive summary of the program where I explain the 3 phases of the program. Phase 1 is your marketing assessment. Phase 2 is creating your marketing strategies, systems, and tools for your own practice and implementing them. And Phase 3 is the ongoing advertising, selling, and servicing management of your marketing system. You can read that and the next 8 pages on how all of this works. If you want to see what clients have said about working with me and our company, you can go to page 11 and read my own testimonials. Plus, you can go to my website online at www.mynewcpa.com and listen to them. And you're always welcome to view my public LinkedIn profile to see the personal recommendations other business owners have given me. And to get started with our program, just go to the last page or the order form, fill it out completely, and choose the Silver program unless we've specifically talked about the Gold program. Then just scan the order form and email it back to me at the email listed. This is Jeff Bell, the Marketing Doctor, and I wish you the best of luck in growing your accounting practice.
Hi, this is Troy Patton, CPA. In addition to running my accounting practice, I also run a commercial finance company, a business valuation entity, several coaching groups, a CPA firm, and I manage a mutual fund called the Archer Balance Fund. The ticker symbol's ARCHX. Back in 2006, I started working with Jeff on marketing my different businesses and generating leads for them through programs like Google AdWords or building websites with functional landing pages and special reports to convert the leads into clients for my businesses. With Jeff's help, I've used tools like marketing databases, email newsletters, teleseminars, and direct mail to create information products that I also sell online. Really, if you're an entrepreneur like me and you're looking for someone to help you grow your business, I'd really recommend talking to Jeff about the different ways he can help you build your systems to help you grow your company. I really appreciate Jeff's enthusiasm about his marketing. Again, this is Troy Patton, CPA, and you can learn more about me on my website at coachpatton.com or archerinvestment.com. Thank you very much.